Pump leakage, a natural occurrence found in all types of industry today. If not controlled, it creates costly problems that affect you directly. Problems of pollution, a potentially destructive force affecting the environment inside and outside your plant. Corrosion and bearing fatigue, devastating factors destroying equipment and reducing efficiency. Product loss, increasing costs and decreasing profits. Maintenance requirements, resulting in wasted inventory and the inefficient use of labor. Leakage, slowly eating away at your business productivity. Many industries today attempt to control leakage by using braided packing. Where packing may be ideal in some situations, it is not in others. Since packing must leak in order to work effectively, it is not recommended for use in industries that follow strict environmental regulations, such as chemical, food processing, pharmaceutical, petrochemical. Here, leakage-related results such as pollution, corrosion, and loss of product cannot be tolerated. But Garlock, the industry leader in sealing products, realizes this and responds with mechanical seals, the solution to these problems and more. Mechanical seals uniquely designed to eliminate leakage, offering convenience and cost-saving benefits in many areas. Mechanical seals cut down on pollution, ensure worker safety, reduce maintenance and house cleaning costs, and stop valuable product from going down the drain. But the benefits don't stop there. Mechanical seals dramatically improve the life of bearings. Mechanical seals create less friction, increasing shaft and sleeve life by eliminating wear associated with braided packing. And mechanical seals reduce product dilution, saving you money. To realize all of their benefits, let's take a closer look at how a mechanical seal operates. Contrary to popular belief, mechanical seal design and operation is relatively simple. Basically, it consists of two flat faces, one stationary, mounted in the gland, and one rotating with the shaft in a circular motion. Next, spring pressure is incorporated to help hold the faces together. This spring pressure also serves to compensate for end play and some shaft runout. Finally, secondary sealing elements are added to prevent leakage along the shaft and around the stationary face. These secondary sealing elements meet a wide variety of applications and are available in several styles and materials. Now, the seal design is complete, an assembly that stops leakage in the three critical areas. At seal faces, at the face of the stuffing box, and under the seal along the shaft. During mechanical seal operation, fluid pressure inside the stuffing box forces the two sealing faces closer together, while providing the faces with a lubricating film, reducing frictional wear across the faces. This minute amount of fluid would be considered leakage. However, the frictional heat generated by the faces causes the fluid to evaporate. Now that you have a basic understanding of seal operation, let's talk about the seal types. Mechanical seals fall into three distinct categories: inside or outside single-mounted seals, double seals, and cartridge seals. Inside or outside single-mounted is determined by the position of the rotary portion of the seal assembly. With inside seals, the rotating assembly is mounted in the stuffing box of the pump and is completely surrounded by the fluid it seals. This fluid helps to cool the mating faces. The fluid's hydraulic force keeps the faces in contact. And solids in the fluid are thrown away from the faces by the centrifugal force. Outside seals are normally used when the material being pumped is corrosive or detrimental to the entire seal assembly. By locating the seal outside of the stuffing box, all corrosion-prone elements of the assembly are exposed only to the atmosphere. And because the entire rotary assembly is readily accessible, it's easy to install, inspect, and maintain. Outside-mounted seals are also ideal for non-metallic pumps because together they offer superior corrosion resistance. The second category, double seals, are recommended when the fluid being pumped is a poor lubricant, abrasive, or a combination of both. A double seal, consisting of an inboard and outboard assembly, allows the introduction of a pressurized, clean lubricating fluid, thereby isolating the product in the stuffing box and the injected fluid in the stuffing box from the atmosphere. Because of this ability to isolate, double seals are also recommended for surfaces that are toxic, flammable, or detrimental to the environment. The third category, cartridge seals, combines all components into a preset assembly that is easy to install. This eliminates the need for time-consuming, complicated measurements and handling. All cartridge seals come in either single or double versions and are often the most economical choice when converting from packing to a mechanical seal. In order to meet a wide variety of applications, each of these three distinct seal categories are available in unbalanced or balanced designs. An unbalanced seal allows all of the fluid pressure in the stuffing box to act as a closing force on the faces. This particular design is most effective in low-pressure applications. For high-pressure applications, however, a balanced seal is required. Here, a change in the face configuration allows some of the fluid pressure to be redirected, offsetting the total closing force on the faces. This reduction generates less heat and normally extends the seal life. Garlock, the leader in providing quality sealing products for the past 100 years, offers an in-depth line of cost-effective mechanical seals. Mechanical seals that are specifically designed to meet the critical service requirements demanded by today's industries. But a seal is just a seal if it isn't supported by innovative people. And the Garlock people, with their commitment to service and to quality, deliver the outstanding performance you expect and deserve. Mechanical seals. Eliminating pump leakage, controlling costly maintenance problems, saving you time, money, and energy. And Garlock, the sealing experts, providing the right product for your application.